Hi all. Today we are going to discuss a new topic in reasoning, which is a very important topic, machine input. Okay, machine input means here you can see one input and following that some steps are there. Then it is given step 7 is the last step. Okay, here in these steps only numbers are given. That is, in machine input, each question they will give these type one example. That is, this given thing is an example for this particular question. In that example, one input will be there, following that some steps, then they will specify which one is the last step. Okay, then it is based on this example we have to solve the question. Our question input is this one. Input is given this. Okay, so we have to arrange this input according to this example. That is the question. Then after arrangement we can answer this question. Based on this input they are given 5 sub questions. Okay, so for doing this question what we have to do? First we have to check the output or last step of this particular example. That is, in the last step only that numbers will be correctly arranged. That is, here in this particular example only numbers are given. Some other example they will give only words, or they can give the combination of words and numbers. Okay, then here if we got these type question, first we have to check the last step of that particular example. That is, in the last step numbers or words can be in correct arrangement, that is in correct order. That is, if it is numbers it can be ascending or descending order, or it can be first even numbers then odd numbers, that also can be ascending or descending order. And if it is words it can be alphabetical or reverse alphabetical order, or it can be first vowels then consonants. Okay, like that way it is in correct order only in the last step. That we have to find out first. Then after that we have to check how many elements, how many numbers or how many words are arranged in one step. That is, we can check this question. Here this is our example input, and here it is given step 7 is the last step. So first we have to check the last step. Here in this last step numbers are given like this: 23, 32, 43, 72, 77, 83, 86 and 95. So here numbers, if we see these numbers are arranged in ascending order. That is, from least to most ascending order they are arranging. Then we have to check how many elements are arranging in one step. First we can check the input. Input it is given 95, 23, 72, 43, 32, 86, 77 and 83. Then in first step it is given like that 23 in the first place. If we compare input and step 1, 23 in the first step. So that number we have to check it in the output or last step. Last step our first element is 23, or the least number is 23. That one is arranged in the first place in step number 1. Then rest it is given 95, 72, 43, 32, 86, 77, 83. Rest all the elements following the same pattern of input. There is no change in that. Then step 1 to step 2, 23 remains the same place. Then second place is 32. That is the second element in our output. That one is arranging in the second step. And rest will follow the same pattern of this previous step. That is 95, 72, then 43, 86, 77, 83. Then third step 23, 32, then next 43 is arranging in the third place. Rest will follow the same pattern of step 2, 95, 72, 86, 77 and 83. That is, here each step only one number is arranging, and after that remaining numbers following the same pattern of previous step, just previous step. That is the order in this particular example. Then by using that order or pattern we have to write down the steps of this given input. Okay, so we can arrange that one. Here our input is this one. input is given 56, 92, 84, 33, 42, 18, 97, 99. This is our input. Then if we got this step question, first we have to write down the input, then after that give some space, after that we can write down the output first, because we know the correct order of output. According to our example, we know the correct pattern of output or last step, so we can give that step first. So here we have to arrange, in our example last step is in ascending order, so we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order in the last step. So first will be 18, then 18, then next will be 33, then next will be 42, then next number 56, then next is 84, then 92, then next one 97 and 99. These are output. Then for doing this question, it is better we can give numbering to this output and input, because if we are writing these numbers in the remaining steps also, then if we skip or if we miss any number or if we repeat any number, it is not easy to find out that missing number or repeating number. Otherwise, if we are giving number to this one, like we can give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then this corresponding number we can give in this input also. That is 18 is 1, then 33, 2, then 42, 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we are giving these numbers here, then we can use only these numbers in the remaining steps. Then if there is any mistake, then easily we can find out. Then in first step, step number 1, we have to write down step number 1. In step number 1, we have to arrange the first number here. That is, here the first number is 18. So we have to write down the corresponding number of 18 here. The corresponding number of 18 is 1. That is, this one we arranged here. Rest will follow the same pattern of this input. That is 4, 6, 5, 2, 3, 7, 8. Then second step, we have to arrange the second number. Its corresponding number is 2. That is 1 remain the same place, 2. 2 is already arranged. The rest will follow the same pattern. That is 4, 6, 5. Then 2 is already written there. If you are not giving circle here, we should remember that that number is already written there. Don't write it again. Okay. So 5, 3, 7, 8. Then third, 1, 2. Then we have to arrange the next number 3. That is, remaining is 4, 6, 5, 7, 8. Then fourth step, 1, 2, 3, 4 is already there. Then we have to arrange the next number 5 here. Then remaining 6, 7, 8. It is in the same pattern of our output. There is no change. So here we can stop, because this last step, the fourth step, is in the same pattern of our output. So no need to go further. Here we can stop. This is the last step of this particular input. And try to write down these in same line, same column. We have to write down these numbers. Otherwise, if you are writing in anywhere, then it is not easy to find out the mistakes. If you are writing here just below that numbers, then if there is any number extra or if we miss any number, we can easily find out, because there will be a place change. Then we can easily find out that one. Okay, so here it is given 4 steps. Within 4 steps that arrangement is completed. Then our question is given. First question, how many steps will be needed to complete the given arrangement? How many steps will be needed to complete the given arrangement? Here, for completing that arrangement, how many steps needed? Only 4 steps. So the answer for first question is 4. Then second question, which element will be at 5th from right in step number, fifth from right in step number 4. Step number 4 is given here. From right side they are asking. So fifth from right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth from right side is 4. 4 corresponds to which one? 56. So we have to convert to that number. 56 is the answer. Don't write it as 4. 56 is the answer. Then third one is given. Which step number is last but one? Last but one means second last step. So here it is step number 3. Then next question, which of the following will be third step of the given input? Third step of the given input. Fourth question, what is the position of 92 in step number 4 from the left hand? In step number 4, what is the position of 92? Step number 4, 92, the corresponding number is 6. Step number 4, 92 is this one, 6 is here. From left hand they are asking. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth from left hand. So the answer is 6th from left. Sixth from left hand. Then our last question, which of the following will be third step of the given input? Here some examples are options are given. Then from this one, from this option we have to find out which one will be third step of the given input. So here third step is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4 means 18, 33, 42, 56. Up to 56 is in correct order. So 18, 33, 42, or first option we can rule out. Remaining 3 option it is matching, and for next one 56. 56 is matching in these 2 options also. Then next number is 6. 6 corresponds to 92. So 92 is in 5th position. So option B will be the answer. 92, 84, 97, 99. So the answer is 5th question answer is option B. Okay. So in this way we can solve this question.